Learn new choreography, yes. High toe. Now pivot in place as much as you can. Twist, 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 twist. Tweet, 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 tweet. More. Two, tick, 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 tick. Make skirt fly. Chest up. Tick, 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 tick. Stop. Now from here, press this leg down, turn, and arm up. Go. Arm up. Very good. One more time. So now we'll do it 2 times, and then you exit there. Go. Learning new choreography, okay? New piece. Go, darling. 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 2. Very good. Press the shoulder down. Yeah, this wrist. Stretch your fingers. Yeah, strong body. Yeah, pull away that way. Strong bodies. Right. Very good. One more time. New section, darling. Close legs. High toe position. Go. Tummy in, chest up. Connect. Strong arm. Go. Chuk, 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 and boom. Okay, from here you're gonna close and point. Close and point. Slowly go. Close, step here, close. Yeah, connect to me and go and point. And head will turn too. Head will be here, head there. In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Excellent. Getting? Yeah. One more time. So from beginning. And 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 2. Now we're gonna hold with the strong connection. 3, 4, 1. Now feel my connection. Count 2. Go close. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Stop there. Now from here, take your arm around your head. Put arm on the shoulder and go spin, 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 spin. Sit. Here, like this. Yeah, bend your knees, darling. Yes. Now, in here, first of all, you have to organize your legs. Put it here. Turn around this foot. Bend your knees. It's a sit. A little bit wider. Now try to turn this foot as much as you can forward and arch your body. Arch. Look, arching. Yes, arching. Yeah, keep your arm on me and just jiggle your hips. Excellent. And go jiggle and chicken and jiggle and jiggle and jiggle and jiggle. That's right. And use a little bit sides and shoulders. Chuk, 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 chuk. Finishing with the body wave. Closing feet. One more time. New piece of choreography. Closing feet. High toe position. Excellent. Going 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. 2, 3, cha, 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 and hold. 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1. Jiggle, 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 jiggle. Hold. See here next to me. We hold 1 count, then we go jiggle, 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 jiggle. Now here, like you're pushing me forward for the body wave, and then close your foot yourself. Arm here. Now spin me there, send me there, and arm up. Boom, arm up. Excellent. Give me this arm. Now go in, tap, and out. In, out. Faster. In, out, in, and then finish with the arm back. Stay there. Now go under your arm. Here, here, here. Close your legs. Now switches. Switch, switch, switch,